Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about deleting all of your passwords in the Google Chrome browser. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Chrome browser if it's not presently opened. And you want to select the settings icon near the top right corner of the browser screen. Just go ahead and left click on it, and then select settings. So if it says that you're currently synced up here, so it says get Google Smart Sync Chrome, you might want to just go ahead and turn off. You can see I'm not currently synced up, but you might want to just turn that off if it is synced up. And now if you scroll down a little bit and you select underneath privacy and security, clear browsing data, clear history, cookies, cache, and more, and you select that. And now you select the advanced tab. Go and make sure you select passwords and other sign-in data, and then select clear data. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. I don't even think you need to close out of the browser, even though I would recommend you do that. Restart the browser, and then the password should no longer be saved on there. And again, if you don't want to make it recommend you save passwords in the future, I would first recommend you disable syncing. But if you also open up Chrome here, we can turn off that preference too. So we go back into settings here. If it prompts you to save passwords, so let's just go back in here again, and it says autofill passwords. If we go select that, you can see it says offer to save passwords. Go ahead and just turn that off if you just want to disable that altogether. And if you want to disable the automatic signing into certain websites, you could turn that off here too. And if you had any residual passwords saved, you could also check passwords by clicking on this to see if there's anything that was left behind. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.